The Indian Institute of Technology (IIT Delhi) Thursday launched the STEM Science, Technology, Engineering, Mathematics mentorship program for class 11 girls from government school to encourage them to choose science as their career. The primary objectives of the program, designed for class 11 girl students, are to train young students to think creatively about science and innovation, to provide them novel hands-on experience in solving research problems, and to help them form a stronger knowledge foundation. The institute said in a statement. For program, 10 girls from various Kendriya Vidyalayas in the city have been shortlisted for now. Two will be mentored by professors from IIT Delhi in their chosen topics of interest. They will also get access to research scholars under these professors. During the mentorship period, they will be exposed to foundational concepts in STEM disciplines and also learn the experimental methods and techniques used in science labs. Speaking about the program, IIT Delhi Director V. Ram Gopal Rao said STEM needs to have more women participation through the mentorship program initiated by IIT Delhi. School girls will get exposure to some of the world-class labs and research work going on here. I am hopeful this mentorship at IIT Delhi will prove to be a turning point in their lives, and they would be motivated to enter the world of science and technology and helps society with their research work. Among those shortlisted is Disha Rathore from KBJNU, who is working with her mentor on cryptography and secure computer science. I think I could learn from the experience and from the experienced faculty. I think this will be good for my career, she said. Sanmita Paul from KVRK Puram said she was very enthusiastic about different phases of the program. I am especially looking forward to the research activities and lectures by IIT professors. I would like to thank IIT Delhi for giving us girls this opportunity to learn and explore more than just reading textbooks in our school, she said. The program will have 3 levels: a 2-week winter project starting from the end of December 2021 and ending in early January 2022, an online lecture series consisting of modules in chemistry, physics, biology, mathematics, some engineering branches. These lectures will be delivered by IIT Delhi professors between February and April 2022. During this period, students will also be interacting constantly with their mentors on their specific projects. Summer project 4 weeks in May-June 2022, where students will get hands-on experience in labs and finalize their project reports with their mentors, the institute said. The project areas will cover different disciplines such as computer science, chemistry, mechanical engineering, physics, and biology sciences. In the future, there are plans to have participation from students from other regions in the country and turn the program into residential one. The STEM mentorship program for school girls is the second academic outreach initiative by IIT Delhi for school students. In September 2021, the institute had launched Science Tech Spin lecture series for students from class 11 to 12. Under this initiative, IIT Delhi professors engaged in cutting-edge research in science, technology and allied fields, deliver online lectures and conduct laboratory demonstration every month. IIT Delhi